So this is how to find your hip jack, and we're going to use the same 12 foot span that we did before. So first things first, you need your span, which we already know is 12 feet. Then you need your slope, which we know is 612 from before. And for this one, you need to know your on-center spacing, which is 16 inches for this roof. And in feet, that'll be 1.33. So to calculate your hip jack, first you need your run, which will be your span divided by 2, and in this case it is 12 divided by 2, which will give you 6 feet. But since we're finding a jack rafter, we need to subtract our on-center spacing. So it'll be 6 feet minus 1.33 feet, which will give us 4.67 feet. Which is also 4 foot 8 inches. Next, you need to find your slope, and for this we're going to use Pythagorean theorem again, and since it's a hip, you need the 6.97 again. So this is going to be 6 squared plus 16.97 squared, and that'll give us 17.999. Then we're going to round it up, and it gives us 18. Next is finding our actual rafter length, which is what we're really after. And for that, it's your run times your slope. So in this case, it's going to be 4.67 times 18. And that'll give us 84.06 inches. So you take that decimal and you're going to times it by 16. Which is 0.96, so round that up and you get 1/16. So your final answer is 84 1/16 inches. Just to add to this, I forgot to mention that we're finding the first jack stud, so we're only measuring one of the on-center spacing. So to explain that, it means if you're finding the first jack, you're subtracting the on-center spacing once. If you're finding the second jack, you're subtracting the on-center spacing twice. And in this case, we're finding the first jack, so we're only subtracting it once. Here I just added a diagram to show where the hip jacks are. So I've got them highlighted, and hopefully the visual kind of helps you understand what we're actually laying out, calculating, and what you could be cutting.